Hello everyone, welcome back. I have another free preset to give away. It'll be in the description below. It's a 3D text tracker for the edit page. I made a bunch of other ones, but didn't do a 3D text. I've noticed using the camera tracker, when it's panning, I have a difficult time keeping 3D text in place. Zooming in and out with this, you'll have to keyframe the size. That won't match. It'll be too big at the end. Anyhow, I'll after you download it, go to Effects, go down to SDS 3D Text Tracker, drop it on, and then hit this arrow, turn the Fusion Overlay on, and then you'll see your tracking point. Like any other tracking, you want to find a high contrast point. You don't have to put it right where you're going to put your text. We're going to set the text right here in this building, in the very back. We'll track it off of here. And the first window shows the point where it's tracking off of. And we'll track it. And it's done tracking. And you can hit this button and turn the overlay off. Then come down to Operation, Match Move, and a sample text will appear. To place it, you want to use the X and the Y offset right here. No matter where it's at in the scene, it's going to follow that point. And you have all your text options. You could add more excursion or less, bevel. Sorry about the on-screen keyboard. I have to use that because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. And you can rotate the text, angle, and rotate it forward and backward. Seems to work real well when you're panning. But like I said, if you're going to zoom in and out, you're going to have to keyframe the size. And you have light intensity and excursion depth. And if you want it more depth to it, just type it in here. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.